Okay, this is timing strategies for Wednesday, June 18th. Going to make this one real quick, short on time. Today, we were still short from yesterday. If you can see this, 25% on the 16th. So far, so good. We're still 25% short, but looking at the Dow, you got to try to take a consensus of the index. Hit our first target at 120, 1250 on the cash, and I've been watching that level for a long time. Today we hit it. We got a low close. Instead of getting long and reversing that I was looking to buy on the spiders and the overall indices, using the spiders. Instead what it is, I got long in our right extended day system in the financials and the banking sector. So we've still got a 25% short position on in the basket, the Dow, the S&P, the Russell, and the NASDAQ. But what we do have also now in our long short accounts is using the XBD. We have a 15% long in basically this index, but that's the financial services sector in the right X. And then we also have a $BKX, a 15% long position in this index, the right X banking sector. Basically, this is correlative. And again, I've been watching that $62 to $61 price tag for a long time, and we just got there today. What I'm looking for, if we're right, we're going to be right, and we got to be right quick. Market should come down. Here, let me just get rid of that, whatever. You're going to see the price on here, so I'm not going to fix this. You're going to see it should come down no deeper than about 60 on the BKX, and the BKX is my keying off. And if we see it happen tomorrow, come down tomorrow, and then whoosh, back up, get back long, and then trade on a closing price basis back above this level. Doesn't have to close back above there tomorrow, but I want to see it come, that would be ideal. Give nobody a chance to get in, and oh my God, there's the bottom, Larry Kudlow, Goldilocks, all that garbage. And that should give us, and the reason why, so we're spread, short the indexes, short the indices and the right X funds, long the banking and financial services sector. Call me crazy, call me a fool, but you know what? I got my systems, I got my reasons. If you want to try to game this, you can try also to play off the XLF. I'm looking for that. We also bought some UYG, which is UYG. It's the ETF 2 beta for the financials, kind of like the XLF, only twice as stinky. So we're looking for this move to snap quick tomorrow. We can have a down move early in the morning, but I want to see, using the spiders, SPY, I want to see this happen fast. And hopefully, worst case scenario, we come down to this level, hit that 131.75 level on the spiders, or which would be about 13.20, 13.15 on the S&P cash. We can see that happen also, and just come back down, boom, and then it's got to head back up again. And hopefully that's what will happen. And if that happens, what I will do is drop the short leg. If we can close back above that level, wash out this low right here, head back above there. This is kind of a dangerous move here because the market is in a downtrend. Who knows what the banks are? The banks are basically zombies. They're dead. Blah blah. We all know they're lying. Every banker in this country ought to be made to take a polygraph test and be liable for its results to what he tells the public. But, it's not how we work here. That's not how it goes. So, looking for that type of price action. If we get it, this is guesswork here. These are estimations. That's why we're hedged. We're not long. Well, we are long and we are short. So we're basically spread in our long-short account. What else can I tell you here? The Qs, same thing. Everything's QQQQW. Qs are what I'm watching. Here's kind of what I'd like to see is happen is, the market made its low today, wipe out that, and again, this is a very strong setup that you see right here, where if we can take off, if we can open potentially higher here than the close yesterday on the Qs and on the NASDAQ, and just take off, that should get us back up into that top of that range. That's where we're looking to look to sell again at about that 49.50 to 50 half price tag on the Qs. Long term, I'm a bear. This is just a regression trade, a snapback based on an oversold parameter metric with the Dow and everything else. So that's it. We'll see if it works. If not, I got plan B, plan C, and we'll see what happens. Who knows? All right, everybody, give us a call, send us an email. Wish you all the best.